I don't have any clarity. What's happening with my business? What to do?
Hey Satish,
Yeah, man.
why are you like this?
I'm not understanding how to manage these stocks and other financial matters.
Aren't you following this managed information system in your business?
What?
Do you know what are the things to be monitored in the trade receivables? Do you know you may have to lose the cash discount or incentive if you don't pay your suppliers on time? You may also be struck with dead stock worth lakhs of rupees if you don't review your stock properly. These problems arise due to lack of management information system, in short known as MIS. Hi, my name is CA Jitendra Patel and I am on a mission to help entrepreneurs with financial advice to run a profitable business. MIS from the accounts and finance function is the scorecard of the business. Every business owner is required to periodically review the scoreboard for the growth and success of the business. It is important rule that measurement drives the behavior. In order to measure performance of business, we need to install the management information system in the company, which shows the periodic result of the important financial parameters. Based on this MIS, the actionable can be identified for growth and success of the business. What are these MIS? Let us discuss in detail. Number 1, MIS of trade receivables. Trade receivables form an important role in managing the cash flow of any business. If the same is not reviewed periodically, then it can lead to cash flow trouble for any business. Here are the things that need to be monitored in trade receivables. A. Debtors which are not due. B. Debtors which are due. C. Disputed debtors. D. Bad debts. Number 2. MIS of trade payables. Next comes the trade payables. Trade payables are the amount to be paid to the suppliers and vendors. This also must be monitored on a periodic basis due to the following reasons. A. To know how much cash flow is required to make payment. B. To make payment on time such that no additional amount is paid in the form of interest on account of not paying on time. To claim incentives like cash discount, trade discount when the payment is made promptly. So here are the things that needs to be tracked in case of trade payables on a periodic basis. A. Payables not due. B. Payables overdue. C. Payables paid up to what week or fortnight. 3. MIS of stocks. Another item which needs to be monitored closely and which needs to be measured is stock. Stock when left unmonitored may lead to theft, pilferage, outdated stocks, which can cause a major financial loss to a business. I know a company which piled up a huge stock items and did not know what to do next. Because the cash got stuck in the stock, they had to pay huge interest on the working capital finance availed. So here are the MIS for the stock which needs to be monitored according to me. A. The stock turnover ratio. It has to be ideal ratio. B. Stock aging for more than 90 days. For identifying the dead stocks or non-moving stocks. Number 4. Bank and other finance position. Many SME business owners take a business loan as if they are married to it. They cannot sustain their business without it and never could imagine their business without a loan. The loan ideally must be taken keeping a time horizon in mind and has to be repaid after generating enough internal funds. So here are the MIS that needs to be monitored for bank finance to pay it on time. A. What is the sanction limit? B. What is the drawing power of for the month? C. What is the used limit? D. What is the interest paid year to date? E. What is the interest percentage on CC limit? Moving on. Number 5. Cash in hand. Cash is always prone to theft and misappropriation. Cash can be manipulated if the employee sells the item and does not record the sale, diverting the proceeds for personal use. Further, the non-employee may rob the business in case of high cash in the box, which would be written off as business expenses rather than misappropriation. So here are the items that have to be monitored on a periodic basis. A. Opening balance of cash. B. cash received during a particular period. C. Cash expenses during that period. D. The closing balance of cash on hand. Moving on, 6. MIS of compliances. The compliances must be tracked on periodic basis. Otherwise, the non-compliances could lead to fines and penalties. Here are the items that needs to be monitored for compliances. Number of pending compliances till date in case of GST, TDS, ESI, PF, advance tax, income tax, ROC, etc. Finally, number 7, financial summary. Monitoring your financial performance creates more certainty and confidence in making both short and long-term decisions. This in turn leads to a healthier business and faster growth rate. It also helps you to outperform and outmaneuver competitors who fail in this regard. So here is the list of financial summary that needs to be tracked. A. Revenue during the period. B. Variable cost. C. What is the gross profit? D. Gross profit percentage. E. Fixed cost. F. What is the net profit? And finally, G. What is the net profit percentage? Do share the content with your friends if you find this useful. Also, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. This is CA Jitendra Patel signing out. See you in my next video.